All right, so now let's glue our mountains together. Now I love this die simply because it's so realistic looking. Okay, 1 second. That glue needs a little bit of work, so let's grab this one here. Oops, it's a brand new jar, so there's a lot right at the tip there. Definitely didn't need that much glue. I'm gonna do my other gray piece. And I'm gonna completely assemble my mountains and then work on the next color, but you could easily do an assembly line for this as well, where you put the light gray blue onto the dark gray and then add, like, do that all for all of your mountains and then do all the whites at once. But I'm going to completely assemble them so that they can sit and dry for the next step here. This particular one is actually really quite easy to put together. For my first ones, I just would sit there looking at the front of the package and just kind of match the pieces. Now this particular glue I'm using is Tombow Multi, and I love it because you have a little bit of time to shimmy things in place and then it is stuck. The one thing to be aware of though is if there's any glue that seeps out, it dries to like a post-it note, so it never completely dries. So you have to make sure you don't put extra glue there, because otherwise you're going to have a little sticky part that we don't necessarily want on our card. And by sticky, I mean like tack it like a post-it note, not as in sticky as in your card's gonna glue together on you. But that's one of the things that I like about the distressed collage medium, is you can use it to glue your pieces together. If something happens to seep out when it dries, it's going to be completely matte so you don't see it, and it's not tacky. So I'm getting a little bit more of an appropriate amount of glue on these from that first one, which is good. The other thing with this Tombow Multi is if you get some on your fingers and it starts to dry, you end up having little tacky fingers, so you want to be careful about that too. So this one here, I line it up at the side, and then there's a little sliver of the dark color that shows through the top. It's amazing how quick these are to put together and how realistic looking they are. I just love them. Can't say it enough. The other thing that's nice with these too is if you don't get them together like exactly, no two mountains are exactly the same, so you're good. There we go, I got a little bit of glue on my thumb so it's sticking. Oops. All right, so I'm going to let those completely dry, and then I will see you back and we will add them to the base of our card.